In this video, we listed the 5 best drones under $200 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Holy Stone GPS Drone. The Holy Stone HS110G is a user-friendly GPS drone designed for beginners and adults, featuring an impressive 1080p HD camera for capturing high-quality images and videos. Weighing just 6.2 ounces, this lightweight drone boasts a flight time of up to 26 minutes thanks to its dual modular batteries and offers a control range of up to 984 feet. Key features include GPS auto return, which allows the drone to return to its home point automatically in case of signal loss or low battery, and intelligent flight capabilities such as customizable flight paths and follow-me mode. The drone's detachable propellers enhance portability, while the intuitive controller and app interface make it easy for novice users to master flying skills quickly. Additionally, the HS110G's ability to record audio along with video makes it a versatile choice for content creators looking to share their experiences on social media. Number 2. Potensic T25 Drone. The Potensic T25 is a beginner-friendly GPS drone designed for adults, featuring a sleek white design and weighing 2 kilograms. It boasts a high-quality 2K camera with a 120-degree field of view, enabling clear photo and video capture with stable transmission through a Wi-Fi connection. Equipped with advanced features such as follow-me mode, customizable flight paths, and safe auto-return functionality due to its dual GPS system, the T25 enhances the flying experience by allowing for hands-free operation while ensuring safety. Also inclusive are user-friendly controls like headless mode and one-key takeoff, landing, making it accessible for newcomers. The drone comes with 2 modular 1000 mAh batteries, extending its control range up to 300 meters and making it a great gift option for those looking to explore the world of aerial photography with ease and stability. Number 3. Holy Stone HS270. The Holy Stone HS700D is a versatile drone designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike, featuring a 2K FHD camera with a resolution of 2048 by 1152, which captures detailed images and videos with a 110 degrees field of view and adjustable angle. It utilizes a 5 GHz FPV transmission for clear and fast image delivery over distances of up to 2,624 feet, enhancing the photography experience. The drone is equipped with a GPS-assisted flight system that ensures precise location tracking and an auto-return feature in case of signal loss or low battery, providing peace of mind during use. Its long-lasting brushless motor offers high power and efficiency, contributing to a stable flight experience, while the drone boasts a flight time of up to 22 minutes. Additional features include altitude hold, headless mode, and a follow-me function for effortless selfies, making it an ideal choice for family and outdoor fun. The HS700D comes complete with essential components such as a battery, propellers, a user manual, and a remote control, ensuring a comprehensive package for users. Number 4. Holy Stone HS440G. The Holy Stone HS440G is a lightweight and portable drone designed for adults, featuring a 4K UHD camera capable of capturing stunning photos and real-time 2K video transmission. Weighing just 154 grams, it falls under the FAA's registration requirements, making it an ideal choice for beginners and casual users. The drone boasts intelligent GPS functionalities, including follow-me, waypoint flight, and point-of-interest modes, ensuring a seamless flying experience while the auto-return feature helps prevent loss. With powerful brushless motors, it offers up to 23 minutes of flight time, allowing ample opportunity to capture perfect shots. The HS440G comes with a complete package that includes a remote control, extra propellers, and a convenient shoulder bag for easy transport, making it a versatile and user-friendly option for aerial photography enthusiasts. Number 5. Holy Stone GPS Drone. The Holy Stone HS165 GPS drone is a versatile and user-friendly quadcopter designed for adults and beginners alike. Featuring a 1080p HD camera, This foldable drone allows for high-quality aerial photography and videography, making it an excellent choice for those looking to explore drone flying. It boasts essential functionalities such as GPS return home, follow me mode, and altitude hold, enhancing the flying experience while ensuring safety and ease of use. The drone supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi transmission for live video streaming, ensuring clear and stable connectivity. Weighing just 0.01 ounces and equipped with a 2000 mAh battery, the HS-165 is compact and portable, though it is currently unavailable for purchase. With a solid rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars from over 1,000 users, it has garnered positive feedback for its performance and features.